So you can see the pump in the bottom. It's going to kick in a little bit again. And it's going to pump it through the pitless adapter into the hose. And there it's hooked into the plumbing system. The pump is kicked in again. There's a check valve on the bottom of the pump. And there's one in the hose. And the water just keeps trickling in. So yeah, that's the whole setup. And if you want to work on the pump, you can just unplug it, pull on this top rod there, and the whole pump, everything comes out and unhooks at the pitless adapter. And you can service your pump, put a new one in, whatever it takes, and set it back in. Very nice system. And then just the lid goes back on. And that is the finished product.